everybody. I am so excited to be making this video today, the 5th day in the month of April 2024, and I just want to do a little recap on the two trades that I analyzed 2 days ago, and also that's on Wednesday and on Thursday. And the very first one was Euro versus New Zealand. And what happened was that I saw the price was going to, or that price might fall, since this level here was not threatened by any other level, any other price move. So that means that 1.80987 price level was not threatened at all by either this or this level. So what I did was just analyze what I was going to do, and that was that if this remains intact, definitely I was going to begin to look for an opportunity anywhere under this price, this psychological level. So that was what I did. So while I was looking at 1.80987 as a zone where price has been unable to, and mind you that this 1.80987 level was actually last week high. Okay, this zone was actually last week high. So while I was looking at price, that if price does not break it, then I'll be looking at 1.8078. that's about 20 pips different from here to here. Anywhere around here I was going to, or anywhere below here that I was going to sell Euro New Zealand, and that was what I did. Now you can imagine taking your trade from anywhere around here, and if by calculation anywhere around here, and exiting your trade here, and if by calculation, let's do simple math, this is about 114 pips to the advantage of any trader who would have traded this, which is me. All right, and any other person who must have taken this advantage, or taking this advantage too. So that was it. Then secondly, the next day, that took us to analyzing US dollar versus the Japanese yen, and here too it was almost like the same, because this was also last week high. Okay, and price has been unable to break it. Then, like I always do, I don't always look for an entry in the first level where price is looking for either a breakout or consolidating around that. What I always do is to look for the second level, which was at okay, here the previous week high is 151.964, while the psychological level below it was 151.78. so that's about 18 pips difference, almost 18 pips difference. So there was where the analysis came from, and I was looking for an entry around here, and also here. So if by my understanding I took a trade from here, all right, and exited here, this is about 57 pips. And also, if by my understanding I took a trade from here and exited here, this is about 70 pips. And one good thing about it is that once this entry comes out, like for most traders who love to stack their trades, okay, like do multiple entries for one currency pair, you could have stacked up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades here. Like for instance, if you go to the smaller time frame, where I also Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour time frame. Then I would use an, okay, this is where the analysis was coming from, and then this is where the entry came from. So we go to, then the second entry was also from here. So let's go to a smaller time frame, like the 5-minute time frame, and see how many entries one would have made. In fact, I want to go to the 1-minute time frame. All right, so this is it. I'm going to the 1-minute time frame. All right, so here was actually the first entry. All right, so if I taken a trade here, I would have taken another trade here. That makes 2 trades, right? So in the area where I'm making that second trade, what I would just do is to mark it with an horizontal line, the area where that trade is being made, so that let me show you something else. See, it was still the same level where this vertical line was drawn, because price was still ranging, not moving past this resistance level. Okay, so peradventure I have 2 trades. This would have given me the 3rd opportunity here, and this would have given me the 4th opportunity here. So you can imagine me having 4 trades all to myself, just trading USD Japanese yen. All right, and some traders will just stack and stack trade and stack trade and stack trades and have up to 10 entries. It's all good. It depends on what your equity is and your capital is while trading FX. Okay, so that's one of the things that I just want to point out. So while this is happening, I'm still looking at, or while we have taken this profit, I'm still looking at trying to see if opportunities can come today, that is Friday, except maybe I'm going to scalp the market to pick some 1 or 2 opportunities out of the market. All right, so far so good. I was kind of looking at New Zealand JPY, or also GBPUSD. I think that one is fair enough for me to be able to analyze. Now GBPUSD today, if this level is not broken, okay, or you've seen this move from this revenue goal here, price moved and moved until it got back to the previous week high, and it came back down again. All right, so if this level is not broken, if price continues to move in this form, definitely I will be looking for an entry. If this level is not broken, I'll be looking for an entry around here, anywhere above this line here, this nexus. That's my midpoint. Okay, I'll be looking for an entry here to do what? To long the market. So it could. All right, so that's just the analysis that I'm going to have for today on GBPUSD. I've got my eyes on it, that if this level is not broken, I say it again, this level at 1.2616, I will be looking for an entry just as our price crosses above 1.2626. That's about another 10 pips, 2626, 16 to 26. Okay, that's about 10 pips difference from here to here. So I'll be looking for an entry above the 1.26263, then buying GBP USD. So that is that about that, and let's see how it goes. But we are just here analyzing. We are not the market. Our own is just to use whatever knowledge we have to see how we can dabble into the market and take whatever little profit that we need to take. So here price may fall below 1.2616, this support level, which is the support level for now. Price may fall below it. Definitely, if it does fall below it, that means there's a continuation of price fall from 1.26 82. Okay, that means there's a continuation. Okay, so which means we will have to re-strategize with we have to re-strategize and replan our strategy, replan our analysis to look for an opportunity to also buy GBP USD. So I think it's not more than that. So let's just hope, all goes well today. That is Friday, the 5th day in the month of April 2025. So anyways, thank you, and see you in the next video, and happy pips hunting. Thank you. Bye.